As we're stepping out on this Tuesday morning, those temperatures are off to a warm start. Many of us into the 70s, aside from Lexington Park, coming into a low 80s. A very warm start there. We're currently 78 in D.C., 74 in Hagerstown. We're lower 70s, even back off towards along the north and west of I-81 at this point. But in terms of the dew points, those are also up there as well. We're talking upper 60s to low 70s. That's more of that muggy, even almost tropical feel to the air. So you'll certainly also notice not only the temperatures, but also that humid feel to the air as you step out this morning. Satellite radar showing us that the radar not quite as active as what we saw yesterday evening. Many of us are drying out after yesterday's severe weather, but we'll be watching this cold front as it continues to clear the region. However, we could be seeing some showers and thunderstorms bubbling up right along that front. So we'll keep a close eye on that, especially for southern Maryland. That's where we could start to see some of those stronger thunderstorms developing later on this afternoon. But as we take a look at the radar zoomed in, we do see a few of those showers popping up, especially in the northernmost parts of Virginia, back over towards Winchester though, and even across parts of the eastern panhandle and over towards western Maryland at this point. The severe outlook for the day today, marginal, that's on the low end of that scale, and that includes the I-95 corridor, but we do have that slight risk. So that area shaded in yellow, including Lexington Park, across southernmost parts of Maryland, that is where we could see the possibility of some of those stronger thunderstorms developing, and then across the Chesapeake as well. Futurecast showing us, in terms of the timing, a few of those spotty showers popping up right around noon today. And then as we look ahead towards later on this afternoon, we do see a few of those showers and storms scooting right along southernmost parts of Maryland before moving their way off towards the eastern shore. And then we're going to be seeing those drier conditions prevailing as we look ahead towards later on this evening and later on tonight. As we get towards tomorrow, it is dry. We finally start to notice some quieter conditions for the middle of the week, and not only that, lower humidity as we get towards tomorrow. So tomorrow, not quite as humid. We'll see those high temperatures tomorrow, also into the mid 80s. At least for today, though, we're tracking those highs upper 80s to near 90. So today, still another hot one out there with the threat of those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Looking at towards tomorrow, not quite as hot. This is a little bit more seasonable as we get towards tomorrow as well as Thursday. Thursday, though, we could see that stray shower popping up. We actually have this trough that's just situated right over our area as we look ahead towards Thursday later in the day. And what that trough is, that dashed line on your screen, that's an elongated area of low pressure. So we start to notice a little bit of moisture popping up right along that. Then we have that cold front off towards our north and west. That could produce a stray shower or storm on Friday. However, the big story with that cold front is behind it. It'll be far less humid, and they'll make for some nice weather, especially for the first half of the weekend. High pressure will be returning, and it looks like Saturday we're looking at that low humidity along with the mainly sun-filled skies. Saturday is the pick of the weekend. It's looking absolutely beautiful out there. Looking at towards Sunday, we're seeing a little bit more of that heat building back in, right around 90 degrees for the second half of the weekend. Now you may be noticing that Montgomery County Fair logo for Friday and Saturday. The DC News Now team will be out there, so be sure to stop by and say hello. We would love to meet you guys. Anyway, I do want to toss it over to Alexa, the on-point look at those